Hi everyone, in today's video we will fix the candle timer not showing in TradingView bar. So here is how you can easily fix this issue. Step 1 is to enable the countdown to bar close. You can firstly open your settings, then after go to scale and lines and now enable this button countdown to bar close. Next step is to turn on status line visibility. Okay, so the status line of the So to enable the status line visibility, firstly you can enable the line settings. So in a scale and line settings, you will see a symbols where you will see it will default set to hidden. Simple enable set it to line. And also once I enable the line, you will see here line will be appear. Okay. Then after also you can here click on values and then the value and the lines will be showing here. The next step is you can simply switch to a support time frame. So some time frame do not allow to count down properly. In that case, you can use standard time frames like 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute or etc. To do, you can simply click on the here you will see top left corner the time settings. Now here you can simple change here to 1 minute, 2 minute, 5, 10, 15 and check here where you will see a status line. The next step is you can simply use the time based chart. So non-time charts may not support countdown. So switch to candles bar, avoid rank range and cobble and etc. And the last step is you can simply refresh the chart. So UI glitch can hide the timer. In that case, you can simply reset your browser. So these are the steps that can help you to fix this problem. Goodbye.